ITS Enclosures offers various accessories to create the perfect enclosure solution. Introducing filtered fan systems. A cooling fan can be added to most of our IceStation enclosures, including the NEMA 12 PB26 printer enclosure. For basic cooling needs, we recommend our filtered fan systems for indoor or outdoor applications. IceStation fan systems are easy to install and virtually maintenance-free because they work by taking the cooler air from outside to positively pressurize the enclosure, which forces the excess heat through an exhaust filter. A thermostat can also be added to kick on the fan when necessary cooling is needed. Fans are available in 120 VAC or 230 VAC with various filter options. ITS Enclosures also offers recirculating fans to improve the overall airflow in the enclosure. IceStation enclosure fans are always completely assembled and ready to use upon delivery. Still have questions? Call 1-800-423-9911. Email info@itsenclosures.com. Or simply visit ITSEnclosures.com and click on the Products tab to find our full list of IceStation products.